I've got another drape fit in, so if you want to see what they sent me and how it looks on, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Ben are in the other room, but I have a new drape fit. So if you're new, thanks so much for checking this out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is a Stylist subscription. It is cheaper than Stitch Fix and Wantable. There is a $10 Stylist fee. However, you don't get that off of your purchase, so it is just a flat $10 that you're going to pay whether you keep anything or not. It doesn't matter. You're still paying that $10. The prices are less expensive, but you're also not often getting name brands. So there is kind of that balance. I always find at least one thing in the box. I am considered one of their influencers. And so what that means is that they send me this box for $1 and they give me a $20 gift certificate to purchase something in the box if I choose to. And like I said, usually I do find something in the box. And my stylist is Paulette. That's who I've had since I started this program. So we'll see what she sent me. Sometimes she's like close, but not quite there. Like she's in the neighborhood, just not at the right house yet. So these are the paperworks that you get. It's got your prices. If I can get them out. This has the gift card that they send me for that $20 off. There is information about the program. It's free shipping and returns. It is UPS, not USPS. I have made the mistake of trying to bring it to the post office several times, and they've informed me each time, no, this is the wrong place. So just so you know, you have, I believe it's 3 days, and if you keep everything, you can save up to 25% off. So let's see, the cost of this entire box is $155.97. If I were to purchase everything, it would be $124.41. So minus my discount, it would be $104.41. All right, and Paula put a little note about kind of what she chose and how to put it together, but I want to be surprised. Like, there's no pictures, so the only word I caught on there was kimono, and I was like, oh, I like a kimono. It does come all wrapped up, but we've got a little sneak peek here. Okay, well, let's check it out. I See Potential by Style & Co. There is this t-shirt. Now, I'm kind of not big into florals these days, so I'm going to tell you I'm probably not going to like this. If this were plain though, if this were solid, I think I'd like it. I'm just not into the florals right now. All right, also by Style & Co. we have this shirt. And again, I like the style of it. I like the fabric. I don't know that I like the print, but I definitely like that little V-neck. By Gloria Vanderbilt, we have some black jeans. I don't know if these are skinny jeans, but you can get Gloria Vanderbilt at like Kohl's, so you know, not a bad brand. I don't know if these are straight legs, skinny, but we'll try. By Gillette, we have I don't know if this is supposed to be a really short dress or a tunic top, but it does have a hood, and I mean, it is cute. I couldn't wear it to work because of the color. It seems like it's got some pockets in here, but it's definitely like a nice beach cover-up, I would say. All right, and then the last thing by Coco, K-O-H, is it. What in the world is this? Okay, this is a really long, really polyester jumpsuit. I don't wear jumpsuits ever under any circumstances. I'm of an age where when I have to go pee, I've got to go. Like, I don't want to be getting all undressed and all that. I also hate the material. Absolutely hate the material. I don't answer that on for you guys, but this is that polyester 70s material that you just know you're going to be 1,000 degrees. Yeah, there's no situation in which I'm wearing this. I'm not sure why she would even send something like that. So I caught the word kimono, but I don't see a kimono. Oh, that's the jumpsuit. Okay. All right. I'm going to try these things on. We will get impressions, what we think about it. Today I'm just kind of in some bum wear because we were doing a cookout at work, so I didn't want to get any of my nice clothes dirty, so I threw on like this old oversized t-shirt. But that is from Aerie, so I love it. It's super comfy, but it is my kind of like, I don't care about t-shirt. So, which is good because I got a little grease stain on there. I'm going to try to get out with some Dawn. All right, so let's get trying stuff on, and I will be right back. All right, so here I am with the jumpsuit, and my daughter likes it. I do not. Again, I don't like the fabric. It is a little long on me. I guess if I wore heels, but I mean, the reality is I'm just not a jumpsuit kind of gal. I don't see me ever wearing this. And I also think it makes me look top heavy too. So, and like, why is this sleeve brown and the sleeve not? Like, I don't get it. So Paulette, it was nice of you to try to bump me out of my comfort zone, but this is just way too far out of my comfort zone. This is the kimono sleeve element jumpsuit in a size large, $28.50. So again, the prices are very reasonable, but yeah, that's just not me. And it zips up the back, so if I have to go use the restroom, I am never getting out of it or getting back into it. That's just a problem. All right, let's try on the next thing. All right, so I'm back with that t-shirt. And again, the fabric is nice. I'm just not big into the flowers. And the jeans do fit well. They are a little bit long, as you can see, and a little bit high waist. So the waist is coming up to here. My belly button is here. So we've got a good few inches, more than I'm usually comfortable with. And again, if this were solid, I think I would really like it, but I'm just kind of over florals right now. There might be a time in the future where I'm like back into them and like, yay, florals, but for right now at least, I'm like, oh, no thanks. I think I just kind of over floraled for a while. Okay, so this is the short sleeve scoop neck floral top, and it is pink, but it's definitely purple. $32.99. I think that's a little pricey for what this is. I will say that. And the Glory of the Underbelt tapered leg jeans, $34.99. I think that's pretty on par with what you would get them for at Kohl's. So, you know, I don't think that's a bad price. But I do think they're a little high-waisted for me. So I think I'm going to pass on the jeans. All right, let's try on the other t-shirt and then the tunic. Here is that other t-shirt. I did put on my jeans because the other jeans, because they were a little too long, I didn't want them to get dirty or anything, or excessive dog hair. Not that there's excessive dog hair at this house. At my house, yes, but here there's not. But I still didn't want any of that. So I just put on my jeans, which have a much more comfortable, they're right there at my belly button. That's what I prefer. Okay, so this shirt, again, I like the style. I don't know that I really like the print. I don't know that I would ever actually pull for it. So there is that. But it's otherwise, like, it's in the neighborhood. It's just not at the address. Okay, let's go over this. Now this is the short sleeve Henley floral top. And this is $32.99. Again, I think a little too high priced. I think this is kind of like Walmart type. And I think at Walmart I would expect to pay maybe $19.99 at the most for something like this. But that's just my own theory. I don't know, what this brand actually goes for. But the quality is along the lines of what you would get at Walmart, which there's nothing wrong with that. But I'm not going to pay Kohl's prices for Walmart quality, if that makes sense. All right, let's try on that last top and final thoughts. And last is that tunic. It has some pockets. I think it'd be a great beach cover-up. It's got a little hood. So you can keep your hair dry. Fan's kind of blowing it around. So if anything, I mean, I would definitely only wear it as a beach cover-up or with like leggings or something on the weekend, because it is too short, I think, for a dress like you see in the back. And I'm only 5'2", so that would definitely be too short. Chloe, can you take Bandit out? And that is the Yolette tunic hoodie with 2 pockets, $26.50. So if I keep anything, it's going to be this, which would be $6.50 was what I would pay. So this is the only thing I am considering. The other things, again, there was a lot of things that were in the neighborhood, but not quite at the right address. And I mean, that jumper, I just don't do jumpers. And for those of you who can rock them, like I see people in them, I'm like, that looks so great, but it's just not a comfort zone for me. All right, well, that is my drape fit. Let me know your thoughts. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. I have all the information, as well as I believe it's $10 off of your first fit. Definitely something off of your first fit. I'll have that information down below. If you're interested, go ahead and click on it. And hopefully we'll see you soon.